Hello everyone. If you are looking for a fast and easy way to make professional-looking karaoke videos with lyrics, then you will want to download the free YouTube Movie Maker software. When it comes to creating videos with YouTube Movie Maker, you can create a variety of videos, but for now I want to show you how to create a karaoke video. I'm no expert when it comes to this software, as you will probably see, but I have made some pretty good karaoke videos. If I can do it, you can do it too. You can make karaoke videos in almost any language. Before you get started, you want to create your karaoke folder. In that folder you will want to place everything that you will need to make a karaoke video. You will need the lyrics of the song in a regular text file format. You will need the instrumental music in the MP3 format. And you will also want a JPEG or PNG image or a MP4 video that you can use as a background in your karaoke video. So as you can see here, I have created a karaoke folder and named it Jingle Bell. In this folder I have everything I need to create my karaoke video. In this folder I have the Jingle Bell text, the Jingle Bell instrumental MP3. I also have a JPG and PNG image and MP4 video. I can use any one of the three as a background in my video. Now that I have my karaoke folder, let's open YouTube Movie Maker and have a look at the main screen. When you open the YouTube Movie Maker, you will see three buttons. You want to click on the Make Videos button. This is the main YouTube Movie Maker screen. I'm not going to talk about this screen, I will do that in another video. But for now, we want to learn how to make a karaoke video. We want to open up the Lyric Maker screen and get familiar with it, so you can follow along better when I actually make a karaoke video. Let's open up the Lyric Maker screen.